Hi! In this video, I will show you how to use and connect your JBL Headphones application. First things first, head over to your Play Store or App Store and then head over and then go and install the JBL Headphones app. From in there, once you have successfully installed it, click on the This Open option. You should be able to open in here your JBL. Now from in there, you will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions and also allow the nearby device's permission. Make sure to allow it because it will automatically detect your headphones. Click onto this plus icon if you don't have or if you have any product. You can choose in here which product or headphones you have on JBL. Now in here, make sure that your JBL is actually on the fairy mode. Disconnect your product from other Bluetooth device and restart it, and you should be able to find it right here. Now in here is the supported product they have. You can just head over and click on it and then see in here the instructions on how to connect it. Once you have connected it, they will appear right here and then you can use it on the application. So that's how you actually use and connect JBL Headphones app. Hope we helped.